Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn extra cash from the comfort of your own home. By promoting and selling products or services from other companies, you can earn a commission on every sale. Imagine being able to earn money while sitting on your couch and watching TV. Plus, it's a breeze to become an affiliate for well-known and reputable companies. So why not give it a try and see how much you can earn? In this video, we'll show you the basics you need to know to start as an affiliate marketer. Are you ready? Here we go. Becoming an affiliate. 1. Pick up niches you're familiar with. Are you ready to turn your knowledge into cash? One of the best ways to do this is by selecting a niche that represents your current interests or occupation. This is known as picking your niche among online marketers. By focusing on what you know and love, you'll have a much easier time creating effective marketing campaigns and selling products or services that you're truly passionate about. For example, if you're a pro at interior decorating, it makes sense to focus on selling comforter sets rather than automotive parts. So take advantage of your expertise and start selling what you know today. 2. Start a website, YouTube channel, or other social media presence. Want to become an affiliate for your favorite companies? One of the first things they'll ask for is the URL of your website. Why? Because they want to make sure that the content on your site aligns with their brand and won't harm their reputation. But don't worry, starting a website has never been easier with platforms like WordPress.com. And remember, when creating your website, focus on providing valuable and informative content that establishes you as an authority in your niche, rather than just trying to make a sale. 3. Get to know the available affiliate programs. Want to make some extra cash? Dive into the world of affiliate programs. By finding a program that aligns with your niche, you can earn commissions by promoting products and services to your audience. One of the biggest players in the game is Amazon, so it's a great place to start if you're in a variety of niches. But don't stop there. Commission Junction also offers a wide range of options from companies you already know and love, such as Overstock, Office Depot, and Boscov's. And for those looking for even more earning potential, consider ClickBank, where the commissions can be extremely profitable. 4. Apply and join the affiliate program of your choice. Are you looking for a way to earn some extra cash? Look no further than joining an affiliate program. Not only is it completely free to join, but you'll be able to earn commissions on successful sales. Just be sure to steer clear of any program that asks for your credit card information. That's a red flag for a scam. Instead, provide your bank account or PayPal information for commission payouts and the URL of your website if needed. Start earning today with a reputable affiliate program. Showcase your affiliate product. 1. Monetize your content. Are you looking for a way to earn some extra cash without feeling like you're constantly trying to sell something? One solution is to add affiliate links to your content. This means that when someone clicks on a link you've included in your writing, they'll be directed to the company's website. If they end up making a purchase, you'll earn a commission. For example, let's say you're writing about decorating with purple comforters. You can make the phrase "purple comforters" a link to Amazon's site, where readers can browse through all the purple comforters available for purchase. Not only does this give your readers more options to choose from, but it also gives you the opportunity to earn money without feeling like a pushy salesperson. Another great thing about using affiliate links is that companies make it very easy to get access to them. Depending on the company, the process may vary, but typically, it's straightforward to find the link to the product or products you're looking to promote. So why not give it a try and see how it can benefit you and your readers? 2. Be persistent and don't stop creating content. Want to keep your audience coming back for more? Keep pumping out valuable and relevant content in your niche. This is known as content marketing in the digital world. Not only will it keep your visitors engaged, but it also provides opportunities to include affiliate links, increasing your chances of making sales. So keep cranking out that content and watch your affiliate sales soar. 3. Treat your efforts as a business and know your numbers. Are you looking to boost your affiliate marketing success? One powerful tool at your disposal is analytics. These valuable insights can give you a clear picture of what products are selling, how they're being sold, and to whom. The good news is, most affiliate marketing sites offer in-depth analytics to help you track your progress. Want to take your efforts to the next level? Use the data provided by analytics to your advantage. If you notice that a certain type of product is particularly popular on your site, use that information to create more content that promotes that product. Utilize Google Analytics to gain an understanding of the demographics of your visitors and tailor your content marketing efforts accordingly. Another key aspect to focus on is the popularity of your posts. If some of your posts are getting significantly more hits than others, consider adding more affiliate links to those posts to capitalize on their success. And remember, the most important thing is to focus on what works and eliminate what doesn't. Your analytics will help you identify which types of ads are resonating with your audience and which ones aren't, so you can make informed decisions to optimize your strategy. Delegating and scaling up. 1. Find new products and make new content. Don't let your business plateau. Take the initiative to expand and see it soar. There are 2 directions your business can go, up or down. So why not aim for the stars and strive for growth? Don't let your business shrink and suffer from diminishing returns. Keep an eye out for new and exciting products to market online. Browse through different affiliate sites and look for fresh businesses that have recently opened up to affiliates. If you find something you believe you can market exceptionally well, partner up with them and watch your business soar. Keep the momentum going by constantly promoting your business online through social media, email, and other channels. This way, people will keep coming back for more and looking for unbeatable deals on the products and services you're marketing. 2. Delegate as much as you can. You only have 24 hours in a day, so as your business skyrockets to success, it's crucial to shift your focus from everyday tasks to expanding your reach and increasing profits. By entrusting routine responsibilities to a team of professionals, you can free up your time to brainstorm fresh and innovative strategies for promoting your affiliate marketing business. While it may come with an added labor cost, the benefits of delegating will far outweigh the investment, propelling your business to even greater heights. 3. Use technology to automate as much as you can. Unleash the power of automation to free up your time and focus on what really matters. With a plethora of digital marketing tools at your disposal, you can streamline your routine tasks and invest in tools that truly benefit your business. Not only will you have more time to focus on the bigger picture, but your long-term strategy will also be able to flourish with the help of your tools and team. Make the smart move and automate your way to success. And that's all on our ultimate guide to getting started with affiliate marketing. We hope you found this video informative and useful in your quest to become a successful affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing can be a highly lucrative endeavor if done right. By following the tips and strategies we've outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to earning passive income through affiliate partnerships. But don't forget, like with any other business venture, success in affiliate marketing takes time, patience, and hard work. Keep refining your approach and testing different methods to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.